Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We will read class 7 SST unit number 1 answer question. Our first short question is differentiate between lithosphere and astrosphere. The solid and outer part of the earth is known lithosphere. The upper layer of the earth's mantle is asthenosphere. Question number 2, define volcanism. It is the eruption of molten magma on the surface of earth. This process is known as volcanism. Question number 3, what is faults? Large cracks in the earth's crust are known as fault. Name the major tectonic plates of the world. Number 1, Pacific plate. Number 2, North American plate. Number 3, South American plate. Number 4, Eurasian plates. Number 5, African plate. Number 6, Australian plate. Number 7, Antarctica plate. Question number 5, differentiate between Sial and Sima. Continental crust is also known as Sial because of its bulk composition of silicon and aluminium. Oceanic crust is also known as Sima because of its bulk composition of silicon and magnesium. Question number 6, what is Richter's scale? An instrument which is used to measure the strength of earthquake is called Richter's scale. Question number 7, what is the seismograph? An instrument used to detect and record the intensity of seismic waves is called seismograph. What is earthquakes? Movement of different parts inside the earth's crust result in the shaking of the earth and creates seismic waves is called earthquakes. Our first long question is describe the composition of earth's interior. Earth is spherical like a football. Its diameter is 12,756 km. The distance to the center of the earth is 600 km. Temperature is very high at the central point. The earth's interior is divided into 3 parts. 1, crust. Number 2, mantle. Number 3, core. Number 1, crust. The outer surface of earth is called crust. It is brittle, cold and made up of rock. There are 2 types of crust named continental crust and oceanic crust. Mantle. The middle layer is known as mantle found beneath the crust. It is divided into 2 parts, i.e. upper mantle and lower mantle. Mantle is extremely hot. Its thickness is about 2230 km. Core. The internal layer of earth is known as core. It is mainly composed of iron, nickel, alloy. Core is present beneath the lower mantle. It contains radioactive materials. It is also composed of 2 parts, outer core and inner core. It's about 1220 km thick. Question number 2, write a note on fault and its types. Large cracks in the earth's crust are known as faults. Faults result from the action of tectonic plates. The area where faults appear is known as fault zone. The 3 types of faults are number 1, normal fault. Number 2, transform fault. Number 3, reverse fault. Number 1, normal fault. It is a type of fault in which the overlying block moves down with respect to the lower block and lava erupts from the weaker parts of earth's crust. Transform fault. It is the type of fault in which 2 tectonic plates slide past one another. Such type of fault result in volcanic eruption. Reverse fault. In this fault, 2 plates move inward, i.e. footwall and hanging wall move toward each other. Question number 3, what are the types of volcanism? Volcanism, it is eruption of molten magma on the surface of earth. There are 3 types of volcanism. Number 1, active volcano. A volcano that is having an eruption is known as active volcano. Lava is constantly flowing in such rocks. Mount Fuji in Japan and Sicily in Italy are the examples. Dormant volcano, a volcano that is not having eruption and no lava is flowing out, is known as dormant volcano. Such type of volcanoes are dangerous because volcanism can occur anytime. Extinct volcano, a volcano that was active in the past but with the passage of time the phenomena of eruption stopped, is known extinct volcano.